Today on Make, Shape, Create, we're gonna make this Christmas wreath ornament. Hi everyone, it's Jess from Make, Shape, Create. How you doing? So, it's the last Christmas video for the season, and I have an idea that I'm not sure is gonna work, but we're gonna try it anyway. I wanna make these 3D ornament, like ball light up things that go as decoration. I'm gonna make one to see how it turns out, but I have these 3D wreaths I got at the dollar store. I don't know how this goes together, so it's gonna be fun trying to figure out. Christmas lights, white lights, and green tinsel and hot glue. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that frame was a little easier than I thought. It had more pieces than I thought. I thought it was only going to be 2, and it's like 4. That makes it like 8 sides. So that's nice because it'll give me that round effect a little better. But see how these it comes with this little metal disc thing, and you got to kind of get everything in place, and then you just clip it. I like bend it over, and it clips it. So now it won't spin out of.
It comes with instructions, guys.
Yes, it does, which is great, because, yeah. So, all right, so now that's the first part. So, all right, next is the tinsel. So now I've got to get the tinsel around the wire frame. Let's see how this goes.
Everything going okay?
Yeah.
Is that working a little better now that you rolled it up?
A little bit, but it's like coming undone because you know me.
Alright, so explain what you're doing.
Okay, so I'm literally just
You're kind of braiding it.
Kinda, but not really. I'm just wrapping. So what I'm doing is I'm going every 2, and then I go under the 3rd one, and then I'm wrapping it to make sure it stays secure. And then I'm going back up over again because you don't want to go under.
So you're going over 2 and then wrapping around the 3rd one.
Wrapping around the 3rd.
And that's kind of giving her this poof thing. You're probably going to see my finger on the high speed because, look, behind the scenes, we're doing twice. All right, progress report. How are we doing?
Good. So far, so good.
So
leaving this top open so I can.
We're making like a Christmas ball top. Actually, it's drying outside. It's kind of ghetto, but it'll work. It's all about having what you have handy to make things work, right? So, but yeah. So she already did the bottom. Now she's doing the top, and you're gonna see why we think we've come up with a really cool and cute idea. We're kind of winging this, guys. This was like a general plan.
I think this is going to look really cute.
This is the general plan that we've kind of been like, oh, and we're kind of brainstorming as we go. So, yep, back to time lapse.
Do you think I should leave it like this and then do the lights? Or do you think I should add one more row of gold?
We have 2 things of gold, right?
Yeah.
I would do a thing of gold on the top, thing of gold on the bottom, and then call it.
All right, sounds good. So now I'm taking these Christmas lights, they're clear, and I'm gonna wrap them around here. So let's see how this works.
So what are you doing with the armature wire?
So I'm securing the lights a little better. So got everything done. Everything looks secured. Now we gotta take, I found a hanger, wire hanger. We're going to take it and we're going to loop it through, and this is going to be our top to kind of give it something to hang onto. And I'm going to wire it to the frame. That way it can hang from the ceiling or whatever.
So I'm just kind of looping it now to make it more like a Christmas ball loop. And then it's going to be as round as we make it. I mean, it is a coat hanger, and I'm doing this by hand.
Now we're going to add the decorative pieces. These are just wreath picks that I picked up forever ago.
Actually, I think you picked them up for last year's Christmas wreath, which, by the way, we'll have a tag to right here.
I just need you to hold it so it doesn't fall over.
Got it. No problem. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help. Let's go.
Alright, this is this one.
know
So I make sure it's straight.
Yep.
That's all. Oh man, I put these in crooked.
It's okay. It's okay. You're the only well now, you know, however many people are gonna see this. But if you hadn't said anything, nobody would notice. Why did you throw a Christmas ball at me? You guys saw that. This is the abuse I've taken. She's constantly throwing stuff at me.
I mean, I'm just saying.
That's
Horrible.
Very nicely.
Need to move those too.
No, don't move them. They look good. They look good.
Actually, no, I don't have to move. Hang on, I have an idea.
Uh-oh.
I have one more.
There you go. So you're gonna put another one like right here?
Yes.
There you go.
I'm gonna cheat.
This is the progress in real time, guys. Like, this is how this works. No matter what project we're doing, it's like, ooh, we can do this. This is how it works. This is why nothing ever is the way we say it's gonna be at the beginning.
The red.
You're like, which one? You gotta pick one. And by the way, this is just regular aluminum armature wire, guys. You can get this at any craft store or whatever for like, was it like $5 a roll or whatever?
Something like that.
It's not expensive at all. All right, so she's gonna wire this in real quick, and yeah, go from there.
All right.
All right. Moment of truth. Oh, that's really cute.
So cute. Alright guys, so that's how we did it. I honestly think this is one of the best Christmas things I've done in a while, and I just love it. So anyway, if you like more videos like these, there's going to be a suggestion somewhere on the screen. I don't know where, so you know, just hit it, and there's playlists and all that fun stuff. But if you want anything else, just let us know.
There's going to be a subscribe button here.
Oh yeah, that's right, over there. Thanks guys. Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night.